there, champs, and Razer had RazerCon on the weekend. Over the weekend, they had the keynote, and let's talk about the Razer Blade Stealth 13. I'll talk about mostly that, but let's just go through a couple of their other things that they had. Oh, there it is. Look at that Razer Blade Stealth. We'll talk about that in a sec. But they had some other products like, what do we have? We had some new keyboards, I think. The new chair, okay, the Razer Ishkur. Is that the name? Ishkur gaming chair. 6'2". Yeah, okay. I was 6'2" when I was 14. No good for me, but yeah, if you're into that Razer sort of stuff, it looks like a comfortable chair. Only, you know, someone trying it out will actually see if it's any good. Razer case now. Awesome. That is awesome. If you're into the Razer ecosystem and you want a Razer case, now you've got it. And look at how the tapered glass sort of, you know, swivels out there, easily to take off. The Razer Blade 13 Stealth, we'll talk about that in a sec. They've done some good upgrades to this. And OLED, yes, OLED. We'll talk about that in a sec. Looks cool, doesn't it? It looks nice. Okay, you know, color calibrated. We'll get into that. We also have a Razer Siren mini microphone. So that actually looks cool, nice. And look at that keyboard. They've got a white version of that keyboard. And I'm actually using now a Razer keyboard and mouse, and it's black. I don't want to use it, but it's the best you can get, so I have to use it. I want white versions, but that looks cool, that microphone. We'll have to test that out to see if it's any good. Have a look at this. Whoa, nice pink color there. You know I like my pink, and I have it in my branding, etc. But that's a bit pale pink for me, but yeah, if you like that sort of thing, it's cool. You know, kitty things, yeah, it looks cool. All right, so let's get into the Razer Blade Stealth 13, the most portable, powerful gaming laptop, the gaming ultrabook, the only gaming ultrabook, and we'll have a look at that now. But here are the prices of those stuff that I've just mentioned. Razer Blade Stealth starts at $17.99 US or 19.99 euros. I guess that's around the same pounds in Australia. Ooh, it's going to be expensive. And that's the thing. Anything with these 11th generation CPUs is going to be expensive. But what we have here with this Razer, if we look at it here, the first thing I want to tell you is Thunderbolt 4, all right? So what? How many laptops have got Thunderbolt 3, and every new one will have Thunderbolt 4, right? But have a look at this. Razer Kings. You know why? Have a look at that. Thunderbolt, one each side. So it's got two Thunderbolt 3s and they're on either side. That is what you want, okay? Now, of course, it comes to the latest 11th generation CPUs, and we're talking about the 1165 G7, which is a 28 watt version of this, so that's awesome. We have a full HD OLED touch display option now, WORF. So you're going to have a full HD 120 Hz model, a full HD OLED touch display, and there's going to be like a studio version as well. So that is awesome. We have THX spatial audio to give you the ultimate gaming experience, they say, when you play games. Well, the thing about Razer laptops, they're not that loud compared to other laptops, so you'll actually be able to get some benefit out of these speakers, and they do make good speakers. They make good keyboards, beautiful RGB keyboards, great trackpads too, so everything here is going to be good. You can also get it with a GTX 1650 Ti. Now, you don't have to get it with a 1650 Ti, but you can imagine 11th generation CPUs, 1650 Ti, it's going to game anything you throw at it, especially when you consider it's an ultrabook, right? It's supposed to be up to 20% faster. I don't even know what they're comparing it to, but if you're comparing it to ultrabooks, I mean, you know, 13 inches, this thing here is just, yeah, it'll blow pretty much all of them away. Now, the displays are actually individually calibrated, and with the OLED model, you get DCI P3, 100% of coverage of that. So this will be great for the studio version. If you're a designer, video editor, you need color work, you'll be able to do it on this OLED display, and then you get the gaming option if you want to, which is 100% sRGB, and they are factory calibrated. I believe the OLED is glossy and the 120 Hz is matte. Of course, we get Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4. We're talking a package that's 0.6 of an inch. I don't know what that is in millimeters. What's 0.6 of an inch? That makes no sense. They may have a 4K model as well, because it actually says it on the product page, even though I can't see it. But they haven't said if it's PCI Express 4 in the SSD. So I assume it won't be PCI Express 4, which it can be with these 11th generation parts. But the best thing for me is two Thunderbolt 3s, one either side, WORF. That's the way it's supposed to be done. These manufacturers putting two Thunderbolt 3s on one side when you're using Ice Lake or Tiger Lake CPUs. Why? You don't have to. You can put one either side. So anyway, it looks like a cracking little laptop there, and these are great for audio production, content creation, gaming. Just if you want the ultimate portable power, these things are like a powerhouse in a portable package. They're good laptops, and Can't wait to have a look at it. And by the way, of course, you can use an eGPU, right? Thunderbolt 4. If you want to know what Thunderbolt 4 is like with 11th generation CPUs, well, stay tuned because I'll have a 390 whacked into eGPU with 11th generation laptop and you're going to see. So, Wolf, catch you in the next one. Tally ho.